Dear student, welcome back to my channel. My name is Satyaprakash Dubey. I am here with another new video on mensuration. The word mensuration is derived from the Greek word mensuration, which means measurement. Mensuration is a branch of mathematics which deals with the study of measurement of geometric figures like their areas, lengths, breadths, volume, and perimeters. Geometric figures. There are two types of geometric figures. They are 2D figures, means two-dimensional figures, which is also be known as plane figures. 3D figures, means three-dimensional figures. What are 2D figures? If a figure is surrounded by three or more line segments, then it is 2D figure. This kind of figure have only length and breadth. They have no height. Rectangle, square, triangle, circle are some examples of 2D figures. What are 3D figures? If a figure is surrounded by number of surfaces or planes, then it is 3D figure. This kind of figure has length, breadth and height. Cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere are some examples of 3D figures. Here we have some plane figures. Rectangle, square, trapezium, rhombus, parallelogram, triangle and circle. Area and perimeter of plane figures. What do you mean by area? Area is the place covered by the figures. What do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter is the length of the boundary of the plane figures. If you remember mensuration formulas of all the figures, then it will be easy for you to solve the questions based on mensurations. Now let's take a look at mensuration formulas of 2D figure. Rectangle. Rectangle has two longer side, two shortest side. Longest side I have taken as L and shortest side I have taken as B. So area of rectangle equals to length into breadth equals to L into B. Perimeter. Perimeter means sum of all four sides. It means L plus B plus L plus B equals to 2L plus 2B, which you can also write as 2L plus B. Here we have next figure, square. Area of a square. Square has all four sides equal. Area of square equals to side into side equals to A into A equals to A square. Perimeter of a square. Perimeter means sum of all four sides. Therefore perimeter equals to 4 into side equals to 4 into A. Next figure, here we have triangle. Area of a triangle equals to half into base into height equals to half into B into H. In this figure you can see that dotted line represent height of a triangle and the lower side of a triangle represent base of the triangle. Perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter means sum of length of all three sides. Length of first side is S1, length of second side is S2, length of third side is S3. Therefore, perimeter equals to S1 plus S2 plus S3. Here we have next figure, parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram. Equals to base into height. You can see in this figure, the dotted line represent height of a parallelogram and the lower side represent base of a parallelogram. So area equals to B into H. Here we have next figure, rhombus. Area of a rhombus equals to half into product of lengths of diagonal. You can see in this figure I have taken one diagonal as D1, other diagonal as D2. So you can also write that area equals to half into D1 into D2. Here we have next figure, trapezium. Area of a trapezium is half into sum of length of parallel side into height. You can see in this figure P1 is the length of one of the parallel side and P2 is the length of another parallel side, and here dotted line represent height of a trapezium. Therefore area equals to 1 upon 2 into P1 plus P2 into height. Here we have next figure, circle. Area of circle equals to pi r square, where r is radius of the circle. Circumference of a circle equals to 2 pi r, where r is radius of the circle, and the value of pi is 22 upon 7. Questions based on plane figures. Here we have question number 1. The length and breadth of a rectangle are 40 cm and 20 cm respectively. Find area and perimeter of the rectangle. First we'll draw a rectangle. Here L equals to 40 cm, B equals to 20 cm. L means length and B means breadth of the rectangle. Area of rectangle equals to length into breadth equals to 40 into 20 equals to 800 square centimeter. Therefore area of rectangle is 800 square centimeter. Perimeter of the rectangle is 2 in a bracket L plus B. We'll substitute value of L and B. We'll get 2 in a bracket 40 plus 20. Solve the bracket first as per the board mass. We'll get 2 into 60 equals to 120 centimeter. Therefore area of rectangle is 800 square centimeter and perimeter rectangle is 120 centimeter. Here we have question number 2. The side of the square is 20 centimeter. Find area and perimeter of the square. This figure is square. Here the side is 20 centimeter. Area of square equals to side into side equals to 20 into 20 equals to 400 square centimeter. Now we'll find perimeter of the square. Perimeter of square equals to 4 into side equals to 4 into 20 equals to 80 centimeter. Therefore area of square is 400 square centimeter and perimeter of square is 80 centimeter. Here we have question number 3. The base and height of the triangle are 12 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively. Find the area of the triangle. We'll make figure here. B equals to 12 centimeter and height equals to 10 centimeter. Area of triangle equals to half into base into height equals to half into 12 into 10. Now we'll cancel 12 by 2, we'll get 6. So we'll get 6 into 10 equals to 60 square centimeter. Therefore, area of triangle is 60 square centimeter. Here we have question number 4. The base of the parallelogram is 20 centimeter and its area is 400 square centimeter. Find the height of the parallelogram. First we'll make a figure. Here area equals to 400 square centimeter. Base equals to 20 centimeter. Area of parallelogram equals to base into height. At the place of area we'll write 400 and at the place of B we'll write 20. So we'll get 400 equals to 20 into h. Therefore h equals to 400 upon 20. Therefore h equals to 20 centimeter. Therefore height of a parallelogram is 20 centimeter. Here we have next question, question number 5. The length of the diagonals of the rhombus are 20 centimeter and 30 centimeter respectively. Find the area of a rhombus. Here D1 is 20 centimeter, that means the length of first diagonal is 20 centimeter. D2 equals to 30 centimeter, that is length of second diagonal. Area equals to half into D1 into D2 equals to half into 20 into 30. We'll cancel 20 by 2, we'll get 10. So 10 into 30 equals to 300 square centimeter. Therefore, area of rhombus is 300 square centimeter. Here we have next question. The length of parallel sides of the trapezium are 20 centimeter and 15 centimeter. The height is 30 centimeter. Find the area of the trapezium. Here we have figure. Here P1 is 15 centimeter. P1 means length of the first parallel side is 15 centimeter. P2 is 20 centimeter. That means length of the other parallel side is 20 centimeter. Height is 30 centimeter. Here we have a formula. Area equals to 1 upon 2 into P1 plus P2 into h. Therefore 1 upon 2 into 15 plus 20 into 30. Now here we'll solve the bracket first. We'll add 15 and 20. We'll get 1 upon 2 into 35 into 30. We'll simplify further. We'll get 35 into 15 equals to 525 square centimeter. Therefore area of trapezium is 525 square centimeter. Now here we have question number 7. Find the area of the circle having radius 14 centimeter. Here we have a circle. Here r equals to 14 centimeter. R means radius of the circle is 14 centimeter. Area of circle equals to pi r square. It is a formula for area of circle. We'll substitute here value of pi. It is always 22 upon 7 into 14 square, which you can also write 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. Simplify further, you'll get 22 into 14 into 7 equals to 2156 square centimeter. Therefore, area of circle is 2156 square centimeter. Now here we have question number 8. Find the circumference of the circle having radius 14 centimeter. Now here we have a figure. Here r equals to 14 centimeter. It means radius is 14 centimeter. Circumference of the circle equals to 2 pi r equals to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 14 equals to 2 into 22 into 2 equals to 88 centimeter. Therefore, circumference of the circle is 88 centimeter. Thank you for watching my video.